Many people ask me one simple question: why my email get ignored or rejected? You send a good email, your offer is strong, but still no reply. One big reason is your signature. Most people don't think about this, but your email signature is the last thing that client sees. Sometimes the message is good, but the email signature looks like incomplete or unprofessional. No clear name, no rule, and no identity. That makes the client confused. Now let me show you this practically on desktop. First, open your browser and search for email signature. Click on the first website that appears in the result. Now click on More Templates. Now scroll down and select the email signature template that you like. Keep in mind that the email signature you choose should be clear and professional. For example, I select this template. Now click on it and then click on Edit Signature. Here, replace the name John with your own name. For example, I type Ali Shan. After that, change the job title. I write Link Building Manager. Then update the email address and then phone number. Next, update the company details. Instead of my company, I write Link Builder Pro. If you have a website, add your website link here. After that, add your address. Now let's add graphics. Here we will upload a profile picture. For this, open a new tab and search Google. Now click on Profile, then open Manage Google account. Now double click on the profile picture and click on Copy Image Address. Then go back to the email signature website and paste it here. Now you can see the image. Next, you can customize the style. If you want to change colors, you can do that here, as I am showing. After that, add your social media links. Paste the links to your social media accounts such as Facebook and LinkedIn. For example, I go to my Facebook profile, copy the link and paste it here. Then I do the same for LinkedIn. If you want to remove any logo, simply click on it and delete it. The logo will be removed. Now your email signature is ready. Click on Apply Signature. You can also see the steps here, but I simply copy the signature from here. Now go to your email account and click on Setting. Then select See All Settings. Scroll down and you will see that I already have an old signature added. I delete it. Then click on Create New Signature. Enter a name of your signature. For example, Ali Shan, and click create. Now paste the signature here. Scroll down and select the signature you just created. Again, make sure it is selected properly. Finally, scroll down and click on Save Changes. Now your email signature has been added. Click on Compose and you will see that the signature is automatically added to your email. I hope you understand the complete process. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comments. See you in the next video. Have a good day.